Trade Unions Act, 1926, modified as of 19th of November 2018, the Trade Unions Act, 1926, is divided into 5 chapters and 33 sections, providing a framework for the formation, registration, and regulation of trade unions in India. First, formation and registration, sections 1 to 14. These sections cover the process of creating and registering trade unions. Recall 3 friends in ST College: first A.R. Rahman and Mr. Mood and Mr. RARAKSHAN. Now second step is Ramalal or RL or rights and liabilities and privileges, sections 15 to 28. These sections define the rights, duties, and legal standing of trade unions. 3 things to recall. Patna University where PC Dancing and Civil Engineering and CA classes. And third part, miscellaneous provisions, sections 29 to 33. These sections cover final rules and additional provisions. Remember total 4 steps. First Apple is appeal and second is ROOSTED and third is RITU Chartered Accountant. It means RITU is Incorporation of Registered Trade Union and CA means certain acts do not apply to registered trade union. What do sections 1 to 14 of the Trade Unions Act, 1926, focus on? They deal with the formation and registration of trade unions. Which sections address the rights and liabilities of trade unions? Sections 15 to 28 define the rights, duties, and legal standing of trade unions. What is the purpose of sections 29 to 33? These are miscellaneous provisions that handle additional rules and final aspects of the Act.
Disinformation. You think you're winning. Fooling people in the most sophisticated ways. You fueled hate and confusion.
With a complete erosion of trust.
The pandemic wasn't real.
More permanent.
Unleashed conspiracies.
Social media posts.
High-profile corruption exposed.
Endangered lives. Undermined democracies. And you make our job seem almost impossible.
Fake news.
Lying about anything.
Almost. You see, it's because of you we get up in the morning. And work through the night.
Are we going this way?
All over the world.
And that's the right
24/7.
सीधे रास्ते पर चलकर ही सफलता मिलेगी.
going on the line.
The more you try to drown out reality, the harder we'll work to verify the facts. And with our expertise, you have nowhere to hide. We will find your sleights of hand and expose them. So no matter how hard it gets, we'll never give up. We'll be watching. We'll be ready. Because it's the pursuit of truth that gives us our calling.
The fight for truth is on.
Come find me.